Ever dreamt of a future where financial worries are a thing of the past? A reality where you're not just scraping by but truly thriving, living the life of your dreams? Welcome to Cash Nest, where we believe everyone deserves financial security and prosperity. Today, we're delving into the world of wealth building, exploring long-term strategies that can turn your financial aspirations into tangible reality. So buckle up and open your minds as we set off on this journey. Now let's uncover the secrets of building long-term wealth. Before constructing a skyscraper, you need a solid foundation. This principle holds true not just in architecture, but also in personal finance. Before you can start amassing wealth, you need to lay the groundwork for financial stability. So, where do we start? Let's talk about the emergency fund. As the name suggests, it's a cushion for unexpected expenses that life might throw at us. A good rule of thumb is to have about 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses set aside in a liquid account that you can access easily. This fund acts as a safety net, preventing us from dipping into our savings or resorting to debt in a crisis. Now let's move on to debt management. It's a topic that might make some of us cringe, but it's a vital part of building a solid financial foundation. Debt isn't always a bad thing, but high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can be a major roadblock on the path to wealth. Paying off high-interest debt should be a priority because the longer it lingers, the more you'll end up paying. Here are a few tips to help you build a strong financial base. First, automate your savings. This makes saving a seamless part of your routine and reduces the temptation to skip. Second, keep a close eye on your spending. Understanding where your money goes can help you make smarter decisions and cut back on unnecessary expenses. Third, don't be afraid to ask for help. A financial advisor can provide valuable guidance and help you stay on track. However, be mindful of common mistakes. Avoid dipping into your emergency fund for non-emergencies, and resist the urge to take on more debt before you've managed your current obligations. Remember, the goal here is to create a solid foundation, not a shaky one. With a solid financial base, you're ready to take on the world of investments. Just as a skyscraper needs a strong foundation to stand tall, your financial future needs a solid base to build upon. So before you start dreaming big, ensure you've got your basics covered. With that done, you're all set to reach for the sky. Investing isn't a gamble, it's a strategy. Now let's delve into the heart of wealth building. Investment strategies. Investment is all about making your money work for you. It's about putting your money into ventures, properties, or funds that have the potential to grow over time. But it's not simply about throwing your money into the stock market and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the principles that govern successful investing and using them to your advantage. One of the key principles of investing is diversification. Picture a sailor venturing into uncharted waters. Would they rely on a single map? Of course not. They'd bring several, each offering a different perspective. Similarly, in investing, it's crucial to spread your money across a variety of assets. This could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even ventures into innovative fields like technology or renewable energy. Diversification helps to mitigate risk and increase potential for growth. Next, let's talk about the power of compound interest, often called the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest is interest on interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger and faster as it goes. Starting early and reinvesting your returns can lead to exponential growth over time. Now let's look at the different types of investments. Stocks represent a share in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company, betting on its future success. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a government or corporation who promises to pay you back with interest. Real estate investing involves purchasing properties, either to rent out for a steady income or to sell at a profit later on. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires research, understanding, and patience. But with the right strategy, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth. Remember, informed investing leads to financial growth. A goal without a plan is just a wish. This statement carries a lot of weight, especially when it comes to financial planning and setting goals. It's not enough to simply wish for financial security or prosperity. Rather, it requires a clear, well-defined plan and smart, achievable goals. Let's start with the basics. What is a financial plan? In its simplest form, a financial plan is a roadmap for your money. It's a comprehensive evaluation of your current and future financial state, using variables such as current net worth, tax liabilities, asset allocation, and future retirement and estate plans. A financial plan provides a strategy to achieve your financial goals. Now let's talk about those goals. It's essential to set SMART financial goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A SMART financial goal precisely defines what you want to achieve, how you'll measure your progress, ensures that it's an attainable goal, aligns with your long-term financial objectives, and includes a time frame for achieving the goal. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," a SMART goal would be, "I want to save $10,000 in 2 years for a down payment on a house." But life isn't static, and our financial situations can change in the blink of an eye. That's why it's important to review and adjust your financial plan and goals regularly. Whether it's a promotion at work, the birth of a child, or an unexpected financial setback, your financial plan should be flexible enough to accommodate these life changes. Remember, your financial plan is a living, breathing document. It's not set in stone. It should grow and evolve with you, always guiding you towards your financial goals. And those goals? They're not just wishes anymore. They're the destinations you're actively working towards. With your goals in sight, you're steering your financial ship towards success. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about maintaining a steady pace, keeping your eye on the prize, and not getting distracted by the scenery around you. And the two most critical factors that will keep you on track? Discipline and patience. Think about discipline as your financial fitness trainer. It's the force that gets you up early in the morning, pushes you to stick to your budget, and prevents you from making impulsive purchases. But how do you develop this financial discipline? Start with small, achievable goals. Cut out one unnecessary expense, save a small portion of your income each month, and gradually increase it. Over time, these small steps will become habits, and these habits will set the stage for long-term financial success. Now let's talk about patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your wealth. It's easy to get disheartened when you don't see immediate results, but remember, the most significant gains come from long-term strategies. Investing is a game of patience. You plant the seeds, water them, and wait for them to grow. It's not about immediate gratification, but about nurturing your investments and letting them flourish over time. In this journey towards wealth, there will be ups and downs, but don't let these fluctuations sway you. Stick to your plan, be consistent, and understand that wealth building is a process, not a one-time event. Remember, patience and discipline are the keys to unlocking your wealth potential. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. It's time to step into your financial power. No matter where you are on your wealth building journey, every step counts. Whether it's opening a savings account, investing in your first stock, or setting a new financial goal, start today. The road to financial freedom isn't always easy, but the rewards are worth it. Start your journey to financial freedom today, and don't forget to subscribe to Cash Nest for more wealth building advice.